Good morning in Spanish.
Unos días.
Buenos días. Buenos días.
días.
So how do you use buenos días? Buenos días. Do you know Allah? Allah. You know Allah? Dios.
Dios.
Oh, you call Dios? The power, the creator. Allah save us. Allah protect us. Allah give us good in this life and good in akhirah, in after life, after death. Allah save all humanity. Allah give us peace. Allah give us hidayah, guidance. Allah guide me and guide this guy and give all of us guidance. Ameen. Allah give us wealth, money, and make us happy. Give us happy life. Allah protect us. Allah protect us. Allah make us wealthy. Allah give us bread. Allah give us food. Allah give us clothes. Allah give us health. Allah give us beautiful wives. Allah give us children. Allah give us every good thing we need in this life. Allah make us successful and make this guy successful. Dios, Allah make successful this guy and give it. Oh, this is a blessing. कभी वही का